Good afternoon. Myself Ajay. I am from grade 9. Before this concept was introduced, like all the other students, I was also became scared of the maths as there are many concepts, and especially I used to get a mix of these rational numbers and irrational numbers, and my math teacher used to scold me. I asked sir many times, but I would forget about it. But after the introduction of this learn smarter concept, as it was done practically, I used to score well in that concept, and also triangles property, many properties in it. I used to mix up all of them. But after this learn smart concept was introduced, all of them became easy for me, and I can solve them math problems easily. So much first before after the introduction of this concept, it helped me in various ways, and I can help my friends even though I don't know things. But after this introduction of this concept, it helped me in many ways. It will also help them just like me. They could become they can get more confidence in it as they are learning the concepts in a practical way, and they can even help their sisters or brothers at home. And especially the students of grade 9th and even 8th class, they could help them for the future as they go to 10th class. It should also be implemented in many schools because it would also help them. They would also encourage them to use this concept.